All right, we're here this afternoon with John and Dawn Hires, Chipley Cycle. Most of y'all know Dawn from working in the office with me. She's the other part of our chamber team. We're also here with their daughter Kayla and Coraline. There's Coraline. We are finally, John opened the shop in May, and we're finally able to be out here this evening to cut the ribbon. They opened their business during a pandemic, and I am so proud of both of them because they've been very successful and done a great job. John, did you have anything you wanted to say?
No, just come to check us out in Pine Mountain and see if we can help you with your bicycle needs.
Yes. So we're getting ready to cut the ribbon on Chipley Cycle. Congratulations, y'all. Thanks for being chamber members. We appreciate you. All right, you ready? Photo op? You got the photo op?
I don't know, am I actually cutting?
Look at it. All right. Connor, you ready to cut? 1,